Alright, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be teaching you how to start trading using Binance platform. So first, you would click any of the link in my YouTube videos. You'll be directed to this page. You can sign up using your email or mobile, and after you sign up, you'll be looking at this page. Okay, so of course there are different types many different types of trading. For example, there is one using leverages, the one that I do. There is a vanilla option. The new ones are battle, and if you go here, there are also tournaments that they I think it's already finished now, but yes, they hold it time to time, so you can check into that. And also, if you're just a regular trading person, like on a monthly or annual basis, then of course you can just go to spot and trade classic or advanced. So from here, you can just click or I mean type whatever coin you're interested in. For example, if you're interested in, those are my favorites. So you would click, for example, Bitcoin and you would type USDT. USDT is a tether, so that is same as one-to-one ratio for US dollar. So you would click that, and from here you can just start trading. So if you believe that the price is gonna come down, for example, to here, and you want to buy here, then you can simply type 56334 and how much amount. Like you can put in 1 Bitcoin or zero point 0.1 Bitcoin and so on. It will tell you how much you're buying, purchasing right here. And also, I recommend for you to buy and sell using the limit option because the price for the fees are different for the market and limit. Limits are much cheaper compared to market. It goes the same for using margins. So leverages, you would click here M future and same thing, you would search for your preferred coin and choose between cross and isolated if you're just a beginner and you want to use portion of your full money, then you would click isolated and choose your leverage option. I would recommend very low leverage when you're first starting to practice. And then from here, you can check different times. You can start drawing like me. There are many different tools here you can use. And same thing goes here, limit, market, stop limit, and there are many other tools. If you have any question, I can't answer you in the comment section below. And yes, that's it. And another thing, I believe once you make an account, it is good for you to get verified. So you would just simply click your main account name, and then under there, you would start verifying. So you would take picture of your ID and selfie, and it's quite simple steps. Okay, so in the later future, if you create a Binance account using my referrals, I will make a Discord or other channels where I will be posting my daily thoughts or daily predictions or daily um, opinions of where we are at and where we might be going and where I go in and where I come out. I will start doing that. So if you create a Binance account and you have a proof that you are using the account using my referral code, then I will invite you to that channel later. Okay, so I hope you really trade safely and see you next time.